So now in this lecture, I'm going to explain in short about analog modem, packet shaper and VPN concentrator. Now for this course, you do not need to know in detail of these working of these devices. You just need to know what and how these devices work and what are they basically used for. So what is an analog modem? A modem, that is a modulator and a demodulator, a combination of these both. So a modem is a device that modulates an analog carrier signal to encode digital information and then demodulates the signal to decode the transmitted information. I gave you an example of this when I explained the access points earlier in the section, because an access point modulates and demodulates a signal just like a modem. Figure on the screen shows a current analog modem that can be used here in today's network, although it's slow throughput. So in short, the goal of analog modem is to produce a signal that can be transmitted easily and decoded to reproduce the original data back. These signals are transmitted over telephone lines and demodulated by another modem at the receiver side in order to read the digital data. Now, because modems connect to phone lines, the location and installation of these devices is fairly cut and dried. It will have to have a near phone line with one end connected to the phone line and another to a computer or modem bank. The analog modem operates at layer 1, that is the physical layer, just like a repeater. Next is the packet shaper. Now, packet shaping, also known as traffic shaping, is a form of rate limiting and internet traffic management technique that delays some or all the packets to bring them into a compliance with you or your company's traffic profile. The figure on the screen shows a dedicated packet shaper from a blue coat, a company blue coat. So yeah, this process is used to optimize the guaranteed performance, improve latency, or increase usable bandwidth for some kinds of packets by delaying other kinds decided on by you. And the last device of this lecture is going to be VPN Concentrator. A VPN Concentrator is a device that accepts multiple VPN connections from remote locations. Now, although this function can be performed by a router or a server, as with the encryption gateways and content filtering devices discussed earlier, the same performance benefits can be derived from dedicated a specific device should be dedicated to this. And this device is nothing but the VPN concentrator. Moreover, additional functionality usually comes with these devices, one of which is shown in the figure on your screen. Well, that is it. I hope you understand the meaning of analog modem, which is used to modulate and demodulate a signal. Then packet shaper is to limit the number of packets, and VPN concentrator is to provide the VPN connections from remote locations, multiple VPN connections from remote locations. Well, that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to see about the media converters and voice over internet protocol modems, that is the VoIP devices.